Good morning to all my dear students and parents. So, I Anu ma'am is here again for another online class. Now, in my last class, I have taught you the joining of two letters. उन letters को आपको learn नहीं करना है, आपको उसकी सिर्फ writing practice करनी है. वो इसलिए आपको कराया गया है जिससे आपकी writing में flow आए. And one thing I want to convey to my dear parents, that parents, for each and every subject and for each and every class, we have a prescribed syllabus. So we are moving according to that syllabus only, and still we are very slow. Because we are taking alternate day, the classes alternate day, so we are moving very slow. The work which I give you in my PDF, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप उसी दिन वो वर्क कराएं. आप अपने कन्वीनियंस से उसको अगले दिन या उसके अगले दिन करा सकते हैं. ठीक है, प्लीज कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. आप अपने कन्वीनियंस से वो वर्क कराएं. वो सिर्फ इसलिए दिया जाता है सो दैट योर चाइल्ड शुड डू द राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. उसको लगे कि ये मैम ने दिया है तो मुझे करना है. ओके, सो इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम यू ऑल कि आप किसी भी क्लास को, किसी भी टॉपिक को लेके टेंशन मत लीजिए. अगर आज आप नहीं करा पाए हैं तो आप उसको कल करा लीजिए. और जो मैं ये 2 लेटर वर्ड्स की ज्वाइनिंग सिखाई है, ये कोई लर्न नहीं करना है. इट इज ओनली फॉर द राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, जिससे आपके बच्चे की राइटिंग में फ्लो आ जाए. ओनली फॉर दैट. नाउ इन टुडेज क्लास, whatever I have taught you in joining of 2 letters, I am going to do the writing practice of only those letters. Now you have got you have got tomorrow also. So tomorrow you can do the practice if you don't want to do it today. We just want that you write regularly so that it is in your practice. So let me start the revision. Now first of all, we will write down the date. Today is 27/7/2020. Okay. Now the first word which I taught you was am. What was the word? Am. Starting from the corner A, and with A you have to join M. Am. Then after am, I taught you an. A, and with A you have to join N. An. Am and an. Now after an is at. A, and with the joining of A is T. It is at. At. After at, I taught you egg. A, and with A you are going to join G. It is egg. Egg. So am, an, at, egg. After this, the joining was of I. I and in. I and in. Okay, now after I and in you have it, it. It, it. After it, it was ig, ig. Ig, ig. After ig, it was ip, ip. Ip, ip. Ip, ip. And the last I was is, is. Is, is. In, it, ig, ip, is. Now after I, it was O, ought. Ought. O-T, ought. Ought. O-T, ought. After ought, it was odd. O-D, odd. O-D, odd. Odd. O-D, odd. After odd, ob. O-B, ob. O-B, ob. After o, it is ox. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. So o की joining में क्या है? Ot, ot, o, ox. Okay. Now comes the joining of u. U-T, ut. U के साथ हमने T को मिलाया तो joining में बन गया U-T, ut. Up. U-P, up. Up. U-P, up. Ugh. U-G, ugh. Ugh. U-G, ugh. Ut, up, ugh. And the two letters which I taught you with, M and W, me. M-E, me. And W-E, V. Okay? So, am, an, at, ag. In, it, ig, ip. Is, ought, odd, ob, ox. At, up, ug, me, we. So this is the revision of two letter words. You just write it down so that you improve your handwriting. You don't have to learn this. इसको learn नहीं करना है, सिर्फ देखकर लिखना है so that you can write it nicely. Is it clear to you all? Now it's time for the sound words. So let me revise first. It. We have combined E with ta. I have revised previously also. It. Ba, it, bit. Fa, it, fit. Ha, it, hit. Ka, it, kit. La, it, lit. Pa, it, pit. And sa, it, sit. So you can revise it combining the letters with it, 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 it. Now today I am going to take ib, ib, e and ba. You all know that I means e and b means ba. So it becomes ib. क्या बन जाता है? ib. E, ba, ib. E, ba, ib. Is it clear? So we have got very simple, only three words we can make with ib. The first is when we combine ba with ib. Ba with ib. When we combine ba with ib, it will be bib. Bib. Ba, ib, bib. Ba, ib, bib. You know now what is bib is? जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो उनके ड्रेस पे ना गिरे तो उनके नेक में हैंग किया जाता है. That is called bib. Ba, ib, bib. Ba, ib, bib. Okay. Now the next word is, let us combine it with na. Na means n. Na means n. So it will be nib. Nib. Na, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. Nib you all know. पेन का जो पॉइंट होता है जिससे लिखा जाता है, that is called nib. Na, ib, nib. And one more word is with r. Ra, ib. जब हम रा से कंबाइन करते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? रिब. रा, इब, रिब. रिब यू ऑल नो, जो लंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं आपके बॉडी पार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिब्स. रिब्स. सो थ्री वर्ड्स हियर. बा, इब, बिब. ना, इब, निब. रा, इब, रिब. तो आज हमने कौन सी साउंड सीखी है? इब. I with ba. It becomes ib. Ba, ib, bib. Na, ib, nib. Ra, ib, rib. So just revise the it sound and ib sound. Ib has only 3 words to read. Not to learn, it is only to read. Ba ib bib, na ib nib, ra ib rib. So students, you have to do the writing practice of 2 letters joining and the sound words of it and ib. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling all.